We're here in a shaded part of the landscape, and the reason why I chose this area is because I just love what they've done here. They've used 3 different species of plants to really bring out some texture in the landscape. We don't talk too much about design, but you can use plant materials to make different types of expressions in your landscape. Here we have this large liriope, some people call it liriope, does really great in shade, is often used as a border, but here it's just a sea of liriope and it looks just gorgeous. And right next to it, they've paired this round-shaped leaf, bringing some contrast into the design, into the landscape, with this ligularia. Ligularia does very well in the shade. It produces a yellow flower, but is really prized for these dark greened, round, kind of lily pad looking leaves. And in the foreground, there's also a small Japanese yew with these tiny sharp little leaves that are compact in this form called Pringles. And it just, again, adds some more texture to the landscape. And I love what they've done here. They've grouped all of these different types together, a large group of kind of a monoculture against another group, and I just love what they've done. Looks great. So if you'd like to bring a little texture, add a little design to your landscape, try one of these, this giant liriope or the ligularia, or try the dwarf Japanese yew. Bring some texture and interest to your landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.